Today I am making a refreshing sweet sour tamarind juice from the pulp. It is so delicious when chilled, perfect for a hot summer afternoon. It can even be kept for a few days in the fridge. This recipe yields 15 tall glasses. First, get the tamarind juice from the pulp. I have a video on how to make the concentrated tamarind juice from scratch. It involves soaking the pulp in boiling water, squeezing the juice and straining the pulp and seeds. The recipe for the whole video can be found in the See More link. Place the stock pot on the stove over medium heat. Add in 5 liters of water to the pot. More water is needed as the juice is quite concentrated and sour. 500 ml of concentrated tamarind juice. 1 tablespoon of salt. 50 grams of brown sugar. And 250 grams of cane rock sugar. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil. This will take around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the tamarind drink has just started to warm up. Give it a stir. All the rock sugar has dissolved and melted into the drink. Cover the pot slantingly so that the pot does not overboil and let it come to a gentle boil for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the tamarind juice is boiling vigorously. It is quite fragrant now. I am adding 150 grams of dry longan, which will expand into a chewy and sweet fruit, while imparting the fruity flavor to the drinks. This is optional. Cover slantingly and let it boil for another 15 minutes, or until the longan had expanded. If you are not adding the dry longan, the tamarind drink is done. Switch off the heat and allow it to cool. Alright, after 15 minutes, all the longan has expanded fully. So fragrant and beautiful. Give it a taste. It's tangy, slightly sweet with a strong fragrance of the longan. More sugar and salt can be added if preferred. For this, it is perfect and it will be very delicious when completely chilled. Switch off the heat and cover the pot. Set it aside to cool. After 6 hours, the tamarind drink is at room temperature. Fill the tall glasses with ice cubes. To make it easier to pour the tamarind drinks, I am using a jug with a spout. Make sure to get some of the longan fruit in as well. Pour the drinks to the brim with some longan. For the second glass, I am adding half of the tamarind drinks and longan, so I can fill the rest of the glass with carbonated water or soda water. Top up with a little more tamarind juice. And it is done. Let's give it a taste. So refreshing and light. It is fragrant, has a mellow sourness with a little hints of sweetness. The longan fruit is chewy and sweet. The carbonated water adds a little texture to each sip. Though, I prefer it without the soda. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!